Hey everybody, it's Chris again. This is part 3 in the series of your Bally MPU pinball board repair. This particular one, we're going to concentrate on removing the corrosion in the corroded area of the PC board. Let's begin removing corrosion. Start by preparing your Dremel tool with the emery wheel and begin by removing corrosion in a large area on the back side of the board to start testing out how this works for you. This will allow you to get used to this method. Lightly grind the corroded areas until shiny copper is exposed. Do not apply too much pressure, as you can grind too deeply and destroy the copper traces on the board. Continue working your way into corroded areas. Several emery wheels will be needed as they wear out and will need to be replaced. It is common to go through 8 to 12 of these in the process. This is what the completed process looks like on the back side. Continue on to the front of the board. Corrosion will be more evident in the areas of thinner traces. Be extremely careful not to apply too much pressure in these areas. If you wear through a trace, you can recover the path by soldering a small, solid wire across the gap. But you are better off avoiding this if possible. U8 area, we will work on removing solder from the through holes later in the process. Here's a view of the front of the board with the corrosion removed. Thanks for watching the third one in the series, removing the corrosion. Hopefully your project's going along well. And stay tuned for part 4 in the series, which is tinning the board. Subscribe and like. Thanks and have a great day.